All right, so this box arrived earlier in the week. However, due to the combination of work and school and momming and wifing, I did not have time to turn this camera on and give the unboxing the time that it so richly deserves.
Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous.
I have no idea what's inside of it. She said it's stuff for me, and by she I mean Kel of Krafty Butterfly. Now, if you're not familiar, Krafty Butterfly is a small business that offers artisan resin dinnerware, things that in home decor, wonderful pieces that you can use to accent your tablescapes, or scatter throughout your home to add a pop of fabulousness to the room. All right, now without further ado, and there'll be a link below just so you can become a little bit more familiar with her. And by the way, she is part of my family. So nevertheless, let's get into this box. I have no idea what's in here. I may have to end up editing out something that has no business being. Let me slide this box out the way. Okay, that way I ain't got to do no editing. Not to that part. Okay. All right, so inside of here, okay, all right, she did tell me about this. That's for me, it's a health, don't worry about it. It's for our health, okay? Woman's health. So, need I say more? Okay, now I'm looking here. Now, her favorite color is purple. So, whatever this is, it has to be something that it's fabric. It's fabric that I'm guessing that she wants me to make her something out of. Kel, if you're watching, drop in the comments and let me know whether or not this is something that you already have created something for yourself. Is this something that you want me to create something for you with? If not, I am more than happy to. I'm going to make something anyways, okay? All right, so we got some wonderful leaf printed purple and black fabric that I'm sure that I could put to use and make something really cute with. I see another bag in here. Ooh, I told her to save me all of her ribbons, her scrap ribbons, because of course, we can add that to the journal. There's only so much she can do with the scrappy bits. Ooh, we got denim, we've got ribbons. Ooh, how cute is that? Yes. Okay, so definitely look at that. I mean, who gets excited about scraps but a creative, a crafter? I'm going to go through the rest of this bag later, if I can just put it away now. Okay, all right, I'm sorry. I got excited, and we shall utilize those in our upcoming projects and in my personal journal, because why not? All right, and then we have some cute little stickers. Ooh, okay, wonderful, because I've got a kid's journal that I'll be making for Christmas, and this will be perfect as well as perfect to add. Look at the little mirror. How cute is that? The little top. Make some little dolls, paper dolls. How cute is that? How cute is that? All right. Plenty of foam, little foam stickers in there. Okay. And then we've got a few wood pieces. Now, she's creative, so she's got things lying around in there that she's picked up, and she's happy to share with me. Look at the little dinosaur. Oh, how adorable. Kel, why couldn't you have sent this like 5 years ago so I could have made something for Josh? Now, I will. We do have two grandsons that are, I want to say, 5 years old. So this is perfect. And what little boy doesn't love dinosaurs? As a matter of fact, both of them do. Okay. Now I can use some chingling going on in here. Let me grab my scissors. Where are they? Alright, let me not tear the entire box up. Buttons! Oh, and a few more pieces of fabric. We love... Oh, look at, they are pretty. Okay, so there's a couple of different varieties here. And I know I'm going to have to end up sharing a few of these in some Happy Mail with friends. But I wanted to make, oh, you know what I want to do? I wanted to make a piece of button art wall canvas. But I think what I would end up having to do is paint some of these different colors. We'll see. We shall see. But for, oh no, I got an even better idea. All right, stay tuned. I got something something I can do for that. Use these in their current state for, I wonder if these are, oh my gosh, look at that. Rochester, New York. This is my hometown. Cal, did you bring those from Rochester to where you are currently residing? Honestly, you packed that up and brought that with you. Reminds me of some reason of grandmother. All right, now there's a couple more things in here. All right, let's see. My very own Krafty butterfly tea. Oh, look at what I got. Look at a pure instruction. Okay, all right, enough, girl. Look. Ask and ye shall receive. Krafty butterfly, custom artisan glassware to suit any occasion. And it is. I'm going to put a photo up of one of the pieces that I have. If I can find one of the photos, I'll drop it here. Or the video, a link to the videos of the things that she has sent me that I featured in the videos on this channel. Okay, and then of course there'll be a link to her Etsy shop. But check her out. Holidays are coming. If you're not buying something for yourself, you can definitely find a gift for somebody you love in her shop. All right, so now just so you know, this is typically how she sends all her packaging. It's always adorned with a gorgeous bow of some sort. Handcrafted. Okay, isn't that beautiful? Look at the little filigree in the inside. Can you see that? All right, without further ado, let's get that off of here if we can. Let's see if we can get it off in a way that doesn't destroy the bow, that I can just display it on like a package around the holidays. She sure put it on here. Let's just say that. This will not. Let me try to open it from the bottom. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I'm trying to keep this intact, the bow. Because we've got plans for it. Okay, so let me just slide this out. Okay. Now, also, when she ships her products out, they are packaged to ensure that they arrive without a nick or a scratch, because of course it's glassware. So just keep that in mind. I know it ain't. Okay, so thus far what I've seen her make is wall art, resin art, artisan resin plates, dinnerware, teacup sets, large teacup with a saucer. And I just recently saw her newest release. I'm not going to say anything about it because she has not put it up yet. But by the time you see this video, it'll probably be in her shop. That collection. And then she offered a collection of napkin rings. And I think that this is it. Ooh! I think this might match my table. My plates. Oh, how cute. Look at that. It matches the bow. Look at that. With a little bit of gold trimming along the side. Let me see if I can get a close up. Is my lighting trash? It is. It is. All right. Is that not the most adorable gold-rific. This is going to be, okay, so we're changing our rooms around. The Lovely Lab is now in what used to be Josh's first bedroom. Then it turned into the guest room. And then we've moved the family room furniture back into the living room because the living room was once my office, my craft studio, Josh's classroom. So now we have more space for our dining area, and now I'll be happy to lay out some beautiful pieces. Now, she did send a set of 4, but my goodness, Kel, the packaging is to ensure that nothing arrives. She sent a set of 4. And let me tell you something. She was going to make sure that they got there. So let me just bring this up one more time. Look at that. The detail on there, the little bow. Isn't that adorable? So this would be how you would have your napkin ring on the table. It would fit through there. This would be pretty with like a cream, or even red for that matter, like a deep red on your table next to your plate. Okay, so stay tuned. When I do my holiday tablescape or setting, I will drop a photo in the community section. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, feel free to head over to Krafty Butterfly 5 on Etsy and check out Kel's shop. She's got some wonderful things there, some things that one of a kind you can't find elsewhere, and add it to your collection. I mean, now's a great time to start adding before she becomes like, internationally known, and then you can't get your hands on none of the pieces, right? Okay, don't say I didn't warn you. Anyways, listen, I hope this has inspired you to package up some wonderful things and send them to somebody that you love so that they can be wowed and, be grateful for someone thinking about them like I feel today. And Kel, if you're watching, thank you again. You are always covering me in prayer, keeping me lifted in thoughts, always sending an encouraging word. And I just thank God that you are one of my sisters. All right, now with that being said, guys, listen, until y'all back here together on Patreon and YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting like Kelly. Okay, bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the Krafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.